Hi, I'm Zoe Taylor with the Gala Planning Committee. We have a really fun fundraiser week planned, and I am so excited to tell you about our virtual evening, which will cap off the week on May 1st. We originally wanted to put together just a little event to bring us all together because we haven't been able to do that with COVID, and it's something that our really tight-knit community misses. So it's turned into a lot more than that, and let me tell you about it. I am so grateful for our presenters who are giving their time to support our school. We'll start the evening with internationally performing magician Maximilian Rental. He will be zooming in live from London, England. He's a qualified member of the Magic Circle. He has done a TED Talk in Sydney, Australia. His testimonials include Hollywood actress Sienna Miller, who said he would be the perfect addition to any event. His fans include the British royal family because he performed at Princess Beatrice's engagement party. Next, we will move on to our Mixology class with Jojo Martinez, who owns J. Martini Services. She is a nationally acclaimed bartending expert who trains flair bartenders and consults, and she is often called the best bartender in Houston. And she will be giving us a lesson in not only cocktails, but also mocktails, so we can all enjoy the fun. Her clients include the Houston Texans and Wolfgang Puck. Finally, we will move on to a world-renowned chef, Monica Pope, and she will lead us in a child-friendly cooking class. She is a James Beard Award finalist. She has been on Top Chef Masters, and she is credited with being instrumental in Houston's restaurant revolution. This is a pretty big deal. So tickets are on sale now. They're limited to 500 people, so please make sure you get yours. Because it's an international because it's a virtual event, friends and family can join. So please tell everybody. And we have a wide range of ticket prices. We start at $105 for just a show up. We'll send you a shopping list and enjoy yourself, up to our patrons ticket, which includes a luxury basket with all of your ingredients, cocktail kits, gourmet sugar cookies, magic kit. It's the whole shebang, and we will personally deliver that to your front door or office anywhere within a 15-mile radius. All of that is a $400 value for just one adult. So considering the fact that we are selling our tickets for 2 adults plus however many kids at a starting level of $105 if you'd like to just get a shopping list and join the fun, all the way up to a luxury gift basket with all of the ingredients that you need for both classes, cocktail kit, magic kit, all kinds of fun extras, including gourmet cookies and Yeti style cups. So please get your tickets today, tell friends and family, and join us for the fun.